everyone, it's Abby. Welcome to my coloring show. Today we will color and learn the letter P.
Hello, kids!
What animals start with the letter P, do you know? We will start by coloring the letter P. This is blue color. This is green color. The leaves on the trees are green. This is purple color. Purple is a very beautiful color. This is pink color. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. This is red color. Red is my favorite color. This is orange color. This is yellow color. What words start with the letter P, do you know? P, panda.
Hello, kids!
Pandas live in China and eat bamboo. P, penguin. A penguin is a bird. Unfortunately, it can't fly, but it can swim. Amazing, isn't it?
Fantastic!
P, pig. The pig lives on a farm. Alright kids, today we learned about the letter P. New videos come every week.